No le amor. Oh my God, Block B. Is that Hairspray? Dead or alive? Is this One Piece? Who's that? Oh my God, who's that bitch? No, bitch, don't be doing this. You can't. You do not know his nails, okay? He is short nails. Ooh, a diamond's are a girl's best friend. Oh my God, if I had that towel, I could sell it on eBay for $300. Yeah, Zebra One, dead or alive. Well, preferably alive. Ooh, look at those shoes. Can you please give us some fan service in this video, please? Ballbuster. Block, what the? Okay, I think he's trying to be king of the pirates. I'm just saying. Yep, king of the pirates. They're on a boat! Bloppy's on a boat! Woo! BBC? The channel? Okay, I mean, I do watch it for soccer, but whatever. Hi, ladies. Hi, ladies. Call me. Is that Mexican candy? Okay. Damn. Oh, I know those tattoos are fake, but if they were real, What? What's up with the boys? Oh my God, his hair is so fluffy. Oh, he looks like Chris. I'm sorry, they're not bash me, but Captain hook me anytime, baby. Woo! I wish I was that girl. I need to be touching my arm. Oh my God. What's the plan? Shoot, I'm game. Domino mother. Get that gun away from him, you bitch. That's right, you. This video has got the action! Oh my God, where is he at? Is he Harry? I don't know, somewhere. Oh, machete. Be careful. Rooster. Oh my God, did you see that? Alright. Is that a frying pan? Can you get me some eggs? Scramble or sunny side up? Oh. He's chasing a chicken. Girl, yeah. I think this is a One Piece video. I'm sorry, people. I'm just saying. Who's Zoro? Oh. I know what I'm gonna be proud of next time. Zico. How dare you kiss me? Mr. PD, hell no, get that, whatever, out of this video. But, on the real shit. Dap it. Stand up. Ooh, did you see that? Ooh, shot, baby. Hey! Who the hell touched you? Oh no. I will find him. I'll find the address. I don't care what hideout. I don't care who boss. I will hit him up. Yeah, that's my baby. That's my black baby. Come on, baby. Unite. It stopped. Technical difficulties. Back to our program. Oh yeah, take a bow, baby. Take your bow. Block B. I think I throw coins in the water. They got jacked. You saw that? They got jacked. Run! They got jacked.